All right, number 11 is Minuet in G by Beethoven. The first thing we're going to do to take a look at this one is we're going to pretend that our bow is split into 3. The bottom, the middle, and the top. So we're going to be using each third of our bow really specifically. So at the beginning, we're going to start at the beginning of the bottom third. And then we're going to split in the bow into 3. Here's the first third, next third, last third. Now 2 thirds, last third. So in measure 1 and in measure 5, when we have these dotted eighths plus 16ths 3 times under one slur, think about each one belonging in 1/3 of the bow. In measure 5, we have to do a slide. So we're going to start on a 1, and then we're going to scoot him back. And then we're going to put a 2 where our 1 just was. And then put him back. That is a good one to do 1,000 times. All right, listen to my first 2 lines again, listening for the thirds of my bow and for my slidey one. You'll repeat that section. Going on to the next section, let's take a look at measure 10. Let's try this, these 16th notes separate bows. Let's do that again. Now we'll do them hooked. Now slowed. Watch out for measure 13 because it's our slidey one again. Here's the pick up to 13. So make sure you've got that just as good as you got number 5. Now pick up to 15. 2, 3, 4. Your 3 is going to be high, your 4 will be next door. And then 1, 2, 3. Listen to pick up to 15 and 15 again. All right, I'll start pick up to 9 now, so you can hear this little group of lines. This next spot is the trio. In the trio, we have 1,000 up bow hooked bows. So first thing we're going to do is just try some up bow hooked bows on our open A. You could start at the tip and see how many you could fit. I bet you could do a bunch. Now, before we do that in the real piece, let's just learn these notes regular, separate bows, and then we'll start adding our up bow hooked bow. So this is what these notes will sound like without any bowings and a little bit under tempo so you can get comfortable with these notes. Just those separate notes to get really comfortable with the pitches here. In measure 19, low 2, hop for a high 2. Listen again to that. You've got a low 2 on the A, a high 2 on the D. Listen in measure 21, you've got a high 2 and then a low 2, both on the A string. High, low, practice that a few times. And then measure 22, we have another slidey one. It's 1, 1, 1. All right, now let's try this part with our up bow hooked bows. So we've got some slurs and some hooked, so watch out for the difference. Starting at the trio, we start with a slur. Now up bow hooked bows. For these two lines. For the last two lines, it's similar. We've got lots of slurs and lots of up bow hooked bows. So first, let's play it separate bows to get comfortable with the notes. In measure 31, we have a lot of hopping twos, hop, and then into 32, we hop to a high two again. This is similar to earlier in the trio. Hop, hop, oh sorry, hop. And then in measure 2, we have a slidey 2. We've had some slidey 1s in this piece, now we've got a slidey 2. Slide. All right, now listen to pick up to 26 through the rest of the piece with slurs and your up bow hooked bows. And then you put all of that together and you have Minuet in G.